What's going on, everybody? Today I am replacing a CV axle on my 2007 Suburban. I'm not doing a full how-to video, but rather this is just a little bit of information. If you happen to have a leveling kit on the front end and you need to replace your CV axle, all those other videos out there, if you don't have a leveling kit, okay, you know, it's not too bad taken out. But if you have a leveling kit, this is something that you're going to want to take note of. So let me flip the camera around here and I will show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so after fighting with this thing for probably 30 to 45 minutes, I finally noticed that my leveling kit, the back arm right here on this side where the CV axle's at, it wouldn't allow me to actually pull this forward and down enough. I couldn't get it actually down because the corner of that leveling kit, the arm was hitting it, so it was blocking my pathway of being able to pull this down and out at an angle. I didn't completely remove the sway bar linkage here, as you can see, and I was still able to get it out. I've got my caliper bracket hanging. You can get these. I got these, I think, at O'Reilly's or AutoZone. They're pretty cheap, less than 10 bucks. It's just little hangers for your caliper brackets. Of course, take off the upper control, well, take ball joint out. And there's videos that show how to do this whole process. My main thing is I wanted to show you. So I loosened up one side and I completely removed the other bolt on the leveling block here. You can see it's moving, and it allowed me to move it just enough back and out of the way to where I was able to finally pull this arm down enough, the CV axle down far enough to pull it in at an angle, and then I just pulled it straight back forward towards me to completely remove it. So if you have a leveling kit, just be aware of that. It will make this job harder. You will have to partially remove it, or completely take it out, or the other option would be to also remove the tie rod end and take the knuckle completely off of the whole assembly. So there's other ways around it. I didn't feel like tearing this down even more. I was trying to avoid that and cause myself a headache in the process, but learned something new. Hope this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment below, and I will respond back to you if there was something I failed to cover in here. But I just wanted to show you guys that real quick. Again, 2007 Suburban. This also go for Yukon, Tahoe, Escalade, Silverado, Sierra, etc. So just keep that in mind. If you have a leveling kit, you are in for a treat. All right, take care.